Welcome you all. In this video, I will walk you through how to install Android Studio. So for installing the Android Studio, we need to download the installation file from developer.android.com. Developer.android.com. Let me run it in the address bar. Developer.android.com. So it will take us to the Android developer website. There you can click on Android Studio tab. So inside the Android Studio tab, you can find the link for downloading the Android Studio. So click on this link, then the download will be started. The file is almost 871 MB, almost 900 MB. Here is my downloaded Android Studio. Let me click on it, double click on it. It will verify the installation. Once the installation is verified, the installation will begin shortly. So after completing installation of the Android Studio, it will take us to this screen. So then we will click on next. I will select the standard setting. If you have a different requirements, you can go with the custom settings, but most of the users of the Android Studio, you can select the standard settings itself. So you can choose between the themes. One which I'm comfortable with is light during the daytime, and the Dracula theme, that is basically dark version of the Android Studio, that you can choose if you are working during the night time. So you can switch between the themes under the settings. Don't worry if you don't get which theme to select. Go with the one with the default, and later we will see how to update the themes. Click on next. So it is showing us these are the settings. SDK folder is under this is and C users, my username, app data, local, Android, SDK, JDK location. This is the location of the JDK we have installed, and the SDK component to download. These are the components that's Android Studio needs to download. These are the sizes of it. So we will go with this configuration, and you should remember this where exactly where SDK got installed. So basically it always be installed in app data under local, under Android, and the SDK. These are the components will get updated after you update this SDK components. Then click on finish. Then in the background it will start downloading the missing SDK components. Here we need to install understand that Android comes in two parts. One is front end for the development purpose, that is IDE, that is Android Studio. It is based on IntelliJ. And the second one is SDK. So SDK is a separate folder. Every time Android updates itself, it will add new modules in the SDK folder, so that the new device requirements or updates will be updated. So as and when the Android will release, Google will release the updates of different flavors of the Android, you are shown to download these additional files, and this SDK folder which is stored under app data will be updated. So once all the components finished installing, you will be shown this the log. That is very good. Then you click on finish. So this is the starting screen of our Android Studio, and in case if you want to configure anything, you can click on configure icon at the bottom of the screen. It will take you to the SDK Manager, where you can add the additional SDK components. In case if you want any if you want to install any other SDK components or SDK tools, you can install. Here is Google USB driver. Many other drivers are not installed here as a part of the most needed tools, and here is SDK sites for update, and of course you can see where is this SDK is located. So for now I will ignore this. So under the configure section, you can even see this AVD Manager. So AVD Manager is basically for creating a virtual device on which you can run your initial application if you don't have access to the physical device. So let us go ahead and start our first Android Studio project. So I'm clicking on start new Android Studio project. So it will take me to the screen. Here basically I can select the status screen of my application. So I will go with the basic one, empty activity. Activities, don't worry about what is activity. Activity is empty screen. So click on next. Here it is asking you to give the name of the application, package of the application, where exactly this application is to be stored, and the language, the coding language of this application. I am selecting Java. And the minimum SDK requirement. So minimum SDK requirement is if you select this SDK or minimum API requirement, because if you select API 16, it is saying that almost 99.8% of the devices currently running Android can support this application. So if you can play around by changing this minimum SDK requirement to Lollipop, it says 94% of the currently Android operating system phones can run this app. So you can try around with it. You can select the highest one, 10 point, less than 1% of the devices currently available. So I will go with the one which was suggested by 4.4 or something I was suggested. So I'll go with this one only. So click on finish. So Android will work in the background to create project, and will be shown the Android Studio IDE. I know this session has become quite lengthier, but there is no means by which I could shrink the size of this session. So this is about installing Android and walking through different settings while during the installation of the Android. Yes, of course, depending on your system configuration, you will come across many errors. Feel free to keep me posted about your errors. I love to address your errors, and I will try to come up with other possible solutions if you come across any errors. So this is my Android Studio. On the left pane, you can see the project navigation hierarchy. This is where you can see the code written. On the middle window. On the right side, you have some help and the assistant. So this is it for the today's video. I will walk you through how to create the Android virtual device and how to run your first application on the Android virtual device in the upcoming video. So stay tuned. Take care. Thanks for watching.